Hi friends. Okay, so I totally recorded how to make this homemade cashew butter and I lost it. Anyways, super simple. Warm up the cashews till they're warm to the touch in a pan. Blend in a food processor, add salt, honey, regular ass masola corn oil, a flavorless oil. Blend until smooth. Everything's to taste. Bomb as fuck. Really healthy for you. Better for you than peanut butter. I am, I guess what it could be called like meal prepping, but not really. I am putting my little sandwiches into sandwich bags and then I freeze them. So I make a whole loaf. I like this bread. It's organic multi-grain bread from Trader Joe's. I love this brand. I don't know how to, Bonnie something, for preserves and jelly. And this is what I do. So I just lay it all out on my counter. One half of the bread gets, the almond butter in there, or I'm sorry, the cashew butter that I made in this instance. And the other half gets the preserves or jelly, whatever you want to add. Smush them together, put them in a Ziploc bag. Now this is what I do. I put it in a Ziploc bag and I try to kind of squeeze out the air. So I fold it in half, squeeze out the air, and make sure it's sealed tightly. Now what happens is I go ahead and put it in the freezer, and it's super simple. So let me show you guys what I do. Get these bags, right? Pretend I'm gonna like put more bags. Bring it over to my freezer. And then I already have this little section right here where I just kind of lay them flat. This is awesome because what the kids do is, like Kat, she's 5 years old, opens the freezer, gets one of these, thaws it out for a few minutes. Cashew butter jelly sandwich. Nice and healthy for you. Why? Because you control the salt, you control the sugar, you control everything that's in there. And you feel good because you did something good for your family and yourself. Save yourself some money. Know what you're putting in your body. Yeah, super inexpensive. I'm doing this late at night. It's almost like a meal prep. And then I have, what is it? A loaf of bread. It's totally good for at least a week and a half. So I hope you guys find this useful. Super easy. I gotta find like a more eco-friendly way of like storing my little sandwiches. I'm thinking of switching over to like a paper bag or something like that. You guys let me know what you think. But this is just a nice little idea of what you guys can do to save time and money. Makes your kid a little bit more independent. Easier for you if you're a student, if you're a mom, if you are working. There you go. Enjoy.